Hello everyone, we are back with another video in French. Today we are going to learn days and months in French. Let's start with the first one, days in French. Les jours de la semaine. क्या मतलब है इसका? Les jours, the days. The la semaine का मतलब होता है of the week. This word semaine का मतलब होता है week. jour का मतलब होता है days. It's written here in English, days of the week. Let's start. Days of the week. The first one. I have given translations along with the French word, but we will also go about with the pronunciation. The first one, lundi, which means Monday. Okay. The next one, mardi, which means Tuesday. Mercredi, Wednesday. Jeudi, Thursday. Vendredi, Friday. Samedi, Saturday. And dimanche is Sunday. Let's do a relay now. The first one. Relay का मतलब क्या होता है? मैं बोलूंगी और आप मेरे बाद repeat करेंगे. Let's do a relay. The first one. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi and dimanche. These are the days of the week, which is from Monday to Sunday. Okay. Now next up, we have some other words. Aujourd'hui, which means today. क्या मतलब है? Aujourd'hui, today. Demain, tomorrow. Après-demain, day after tomorrow. Aujourd'hui, today. Demain, tomorrow. And après-demain is day after tomorrow. Now let's start with the months of the year. Les mois de l'année. क्या मतलब है? The months of the year. This word année means year and mois means months. Okay, so we are going to start with months of the year. The first one, janvier, which means January. Février, February. Mars, March. Avril, April. May is May, same pronunciation. Juin is June. You have different pronunciations for all the months except May. Let's go about it again. Let's do a relay. Janvier, Février, Mars, Avril, May and Juin. This is how you pronounce the first 6 months of the year. The next one, juillet. Juillet is July. Août is August. Septembre is September. October is October. November is November and December is December. सबका pronunciation more or less same है क्योंकि spelling भी same होती है. Let's relate again. Juillet, août, September, October, November and December. Spelling में हल्का सा change है, इसी कारण से हमारे pronunciation भी change हो रहा है. Okay, now we'll do a relay of all the 12 months again. Let's go back to the previous page. Okay, janvier, février, Mars, Avril, May and Juin. This is the first 6 months. The remaining 6, juillet, août, September, October, November and December. These are the months of the year. Next up, merci beaucoup. Last video अगर आपने देखी होगी तो you know what is merci beaucoup. If you have not watched it, आपको link मिल जाएगा इसी वीडियो की description में, आप जाके देख सकते हैं. उसमें basic salutation सिखाए गए थे, which includes merci beaucoup. क्या मतलब होता है merci beaucoup का? Thank you so much. merci beaucoup का मतलब होता है thank you so much. और revoir भी पिछली वीडियो में सिखाया गया था goodbye. और revoir का मतलब होता है goodbye. If you have not watched our video of the basic salutations, please go and watch it. It includes a list of basic salutations. And today we've covered days and months of the year. Please let us know in the comment section below what do you want to watch next, or else please wait for our upcoming videos.